When growing in your garden, it's important to know the mature height of the plants you're working with. Knowing the mature height will help you know which plants to plant near each other and where in the garden to place them. Placing taller plants in the rear of the garden will ensure they don't shade out your shorter plants, leaving them with inadequate sun exposure. By understanding and making note of the mature height for all your plants, you can be sure that everyone will have an equal opportunity to soak up all of the sun's rays it needs and receive all those important nutrients. Additionally, knowing the mature height can be vital if you're working with limited space in your garden as well. Knowing the size of your plants will help guide you when deciding which varieties should be planted near each other and which should maybe be spaced further apart. Choosing plants with larger mature heights can also help to border your garden and create an aesthetic appeal. Ultimately, understanding the mature height of your plants is a really helpful tool in avoiding overcrowding and shading in your garden. Make sure you check out the estimated mature heights of the plants under the plant details screen.